Filmora just dropped one of its most exciting upgrades yet, the new image-to-video feature integrated with Sora 2 and Veo 3.1. If you've ever wished you could turn a static image into a full cinematic scene without touching a complicated AI editor, this is going to blow your mind. Before we begin, if you haven't already installed Wondershare Filmora, please visit the official website and download the latest version. Then, install it on your computer. Also, remember to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon so you never miss any of our upcoming videos. What it does. Image to video lets you take any photo, a portrait, a product shot, scenery, or artwork, and instantly transform it into a fluid, motion-filled video clip. Thanks to Filmora's integration with Sora 2 and Veo 3.1, the animations are richer, more dynamic, and way more realistic. Sora 2 versus Veo 3.1. So what's the difference? Veo 3.1. Faster, punchier animations. Great for social media promos. Strong motion effects. Best for product shots and reels. Sora 2. More cinematic. Smooth camera moves. Realistic lighting. Perfect for storytelling and aesthetics. No matter which one you choose, Filmora handles all the heavy lifting. How to use Sora 2 for cinematic clip. Launch Filmora and start a new project. Then go to the stock media, then expand AI media from the left menu. You will then get the image to video option. Click on it and then click on the drop-down list and select Sora 2 from the drop-down list. Then upload the image that you want to convert to a video. Once the image is uploaded, write down the prompt, describe the whole scene. Make sure you include all the details like lighting, camera movement, and so on. Then, from the settings, select the duration of the video, and at the final step, click on Generate. And within a few minutes, you will get your video. Let's see the generated video preview. How to use Veo 3.1. From the drop-down list, select Veo 3.1, upload the image and write down the prompt, and if you want to add dialogues, use quotation marks. Once done with the script, change the duration and resolution from the settings. And finally, click on Generate and get your Veo 3.1 video. Let's see the generated video preview.
You know, life moves fast. One day you're running, the next you're sitting here wondering where the time went. It's not about how fast you go.
Here are a few videos generated by Sora 2 and Veo 3.1.
A flower opens, silver light dances on crystal, a drop, a breath, a promise. Lunar rose, the night.
Meet the serum that makes skin feel like itself, only better. Lightweight hydration. Radiant, healthy glow for skin that looks as fresh as it feels. Pure, simple, luminous.
Filmora's new image-to-video feature with Sora 2 and Veo 3.1 is the perfect mix of simplicity and creative power. If you want to turn your photos into motion-filled cinematic clips without touching complex AI editors, this is the easiest way to do it. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give us a thumbs up and share it with your fellow creators and editors. For more Filmora 15 tutorials and video editing tips, subscribe to our channel and visit filmora.wondershare.com for templates, effects, and resources. See you in the next one.